7 key nutrients your body needs for optimal health. First, protein, essential for muscle repair and growth, found in meat, dairy, and plant sources like beans and nuts. 2. Vitamins, micronutrients vital for various bodily functions, obtained from fruits, vegetables, and supplements if necessary. Third, minerals, critical for bone health, nerve function, and more. Sources include dairy, leafy greens, and whole grains. Fiber supports digestion, found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Omega 3 fatty acid beneficial for heart health, sourced from fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. Calcium vital for bone strength, present in dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified foods. Hydration. Water is essential for overall health, aiding in digestion, temperature regulation, and nutrient transport.